everyone! Today we are going to make our Moon Magic Craft cocktail, and we're going to start by opening the jar, removing the sugar package. This is our secret sugar and spice blend. Dumping that in there, and then we are going to fill the jar with the vodka. You can use any type of spirit you like. I like vodka with this one. It's clear, so you will see here that the Moon Magic is actually going to turn a really pretty color. You're going to shake, shake, shake. Let it sit for 1 to 3 days at room temperature, and then just chill before you serve it. Now I have one ready to go right here. And if you can see, it is a really pretty purple color. I'm going to strain it into a pitcher here for you to see. And then, let's see, you can use any type of strainer you want. I'm just using this little tea strainer here. It's really simple. Save your dried fruit for garnish. Let me just give you guys a little close up. This color, it's a beautiful purple color. So a lot of people like to just top this one with some lemonade, fresh squeezed lemonade. Got a really delicious cocktail that way. It's lavender, blueberry, and lemon, but we're gonna make something really fun today, and it's called a purple Russian. So what we're gonna do is take a shaker, add some ice, then we're going to add, 1 part cocktail mix, shaker, 1 part, this is a vanilla creamer. You can add, you can find anywhere at any grocery store, like a coffee creamer. 1 part vanilla creamer. And then I'm gonna add 1 part blueberry juice, if you can find it. Otherwise, you can use grape juice. So add that in there. And then we're going to shake it. Give it a good shake so that it gets nice and cold. There you go. And then you can garnish a little dried lemon on top. Look how beautiful this is.